Well, here it is. Can you believe it? From what we were doing yesterday, cutting the grass, nice and tight, making it look real good, and hopefully it was going to thicken up and grow more, but oh hi, alright. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is pretty bad. I built this, I've been up all night. I built this clay barrier from clay, a pile of clay that I piled up to, there's the bucket there, and it's holding up really well. I don't want to move too much. You see, it's holding up. We're dry on the other side. The water is higher than the clay, so that's the barrier. I'll build it up higher today. And the rain's still going. It's not as heavy as it was earlier, thankfully, but this is pretty bad. This is pretty bad. It was bad last year, but oh, it just really surprised me. It just surprised me. It came so fast. I've been up all night. I've not slept. I've been watching it, and I've been pumping the water out of the well because the water's just rising and rising and rising from the groundwater. Oh, the groundwater's rising. Yeah, right. So bloody heck, that's really high. That's really high. I'm pumping it out into the other side of that wall is a fruit orchard. So yep, it's not flooded at all. So all of this water, we need to get shot of it. So